In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuickBooks Online for beginners and walk you through the main areas of the dashboard. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Home dashboard. This is your command center, showing a quick business overview, recent activity, and shortcuts. Think of it as your snapshot of what's happening right now, so you can quickly see cash flow trends, outstanding invoices, and upcoming bills at a glance. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Use it to move between key sections like Home, Expenses and Pay Bills, Sales and Get Paid, Customers, Team, Tax, and Marketing. Each area groups tools you'll use regularly. If you ever feel lost, just pop back to Home for a reset. When you're ready to enter something new, click the Create button. This is your hub for adding transactions. Under Customers, you can create invoices, receive payment, sales receipts, and estimates. Use an invoice when a customer will pay you later, and record receive payment when the money actually comes in. A sales receipt is for when you're paid on the spot. Estimates are helpful quotes you can send and later convert to invoices, keeping everything connected. Under Suppliers, you can record expenses, bills, and pay bills. Use expenses for immediate purchases you paid right away, such as a card or cash transaction. Bills are for costs you'll pay later. And pay bills is where you settle those open bills, keeping your accounts payable clean and up to date. The other section includes bank deposit, transfer, journal entry, and add product or service. Bank deposit is ideal for grouping multiple customer payments into a single deposit to match your bank feed. Transfer moves funds between accounts. Journal entry is for accountant-level adjustments. Add product or service lets you set up items you sell, which speeds up invoicing and keeps reporting accurate. To manage your setup, click the gear icon. Here you'll find your chart of accounts, custom form styles, and products and services. The chart of accounts is the backbone of your books. Think of it as the categories that power your reports. Custom form styles help you brand invoices and receipts, while products and services ensure consistent item names and pricing. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find transactions, customers, or reports. It's especially handy for pulling up recent activity or fixing entry mistakes. Finally, review your financial data anytime with reports like profit and loss and expenses right from the dashboard. Adjust the date range and drill into details to understand where money is coming from and where it's going. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.